Guys, this is a tutorial on my PDF invitation for memorial or celebration of life. So once you download it from my Etsy shop, you can find, usually if you download it, usually goes to your downloads folder. And here's the 5x7 purple orchids butterfly. So you can right click and open with Adobe. Okay, you can make it smaller, zooming out. And then the only thing you can change is adding a picture, the name, the date, and place of service. The background and the title is not editable. So to add a picture, you just click on it and go to browse and find wherever your picture is. Either downloads usually is where it ends up. You double click and then it's hit OK, and there's your picture. And then here you just type the text that you want, and then the date, whatever it may be, and then the place of service, the address, and time. And then you can just hit save, and you can send this as a PDF as is, or print it out on 5x7 paper, or send it to a print shop of your choice. Hope that was helpful. Have a good day.